Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to conduct an English language class for class 3 students. For today's topic, lesson 2, singular and plural noun discussions. So, my dear students, open your books. New Enjoying Grammar. This is your book. New Enjoying Grammar, Grammar and Compositions 3, and go to page number 6. Go to page number 6, singular and plural. Okay, and we will do exercise 1, 3, and 4. We will not do exercise 2. Okay, my dear students. So let's see our today's class 3. Subject English language, topic lesson 2, singular and plural nouns discussion. Lecture 4, SW will be 3, term half-yearly, and teacher Ariful Islam, the mobile number, messenger, and today's date. So let's start the class, my dear students. So you can see singular and plural nouns. So read this poem. There is a poem. So cats purr. Purr means the sounds of the cat. Lions roar, roaring. Flies hum. Wolves howl. Horses neigh. The sound of the horses is called neigh. Bees buzz. Bees make buzzing sound. Mice squeak. The sound of the mice is called squeak. Sheep bow, but I speak. This is the poem, not related to these chapters. Let's see singular and plural nouns. So we usually add s or es to a singular noun to make it plural. So in this case, cat means one cat, and if we add s, it will be plural, cats. Potato, if we add es, this will be plural, potatoes. Box, boxes. So we can make plural by adding s or es at the end of the noun. Number 2, next rule, some plurals are formed by adding ies or ves to singular nouns. So fly, flies, we add ies. Wolf, wolves. There is a rule, I will tell in exercise 1. So plural can be formed by changing vowels in the singular nouns. So man, M-A-N, man. If we change the vowel A in place of, we will use E. Man, men. So we changed the vowel A into E and make it plural. Man, men. Women, women. Food, feed. Double O, 2 vowels. We changed double E and make it plural. We can also add en or ren to singular nouns. So ox, oxen. We add en, child, children, ren, okay? Some nouns have the same form of for singular and plural. Some nouns are same. Sheep, sheep. So singular and plural are the same. Sheep, sheep. Deer, deer. Some plural nouns are completely different from the singular nouns. Completely different. You can see mouse, mice. Since there is no rule, you have to memorize this one. So let's go to exercise 1, page number 7. Half-yearly exam, lecture 4. So you can see butterfly. Let me tell a rule. If a word ends with y and before that y there is a consonant. So L is a consonant. So we will add ies at the end of the word. So butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R, F-L. Everything will be the same. And instead of y, we have to add ies. Why? Because there is a y and before y, there is a consonant. Okay, that's why we add ies. Okay, so puppy, the same case. We have to add ies, puppy. Instead of y, we have to add ies, the same rule. And 3, loaf. So if a word ends with f, we can add vs at the end of the word. So loaf, loaves, L-O-A. Instead of f, we will add VES. Loaf, loaves. Mango, there is one mango. The word ends with O. If a word ends with O, we add ES at the end of the word. So mango, mangoes. MANGOES. Okay? We say go, goes. We add ES at the end of the word. So thief, TSIEF, thief, instead of F, we have to add TSIEVES. Instead of F, we will add VES. Okay? Thief, thieves. This is the rule. So charts, if a word ends with CS, we have to add ES at the end of the word. CE word, CS, ES, charges. Fairy, the same case, the word ends with Y and there is a consonant before that word. So fairy, FAIR. So instead of the Y, we will add IES. Fairies. Party, the same case. The word ends with Y, so par, PAR. Instead of Y, we have to add IES. Self, selves. The word ends with F, SHELVES. Selves. So roof. This is the different case. In this case, we have to add only. Instead, the word ends with F, but there is no consonant before that word. There is a vowel. So in that case, we have to add only S. Roof, roofs. Okay. In that case, there is a F, and before F, there is a consonant. That way, we have to add ES, VES. So lady, the same case. These will be ladies. Instead of Y, we have to add IES. Knife. This is a different case. Knife. These will be knives. Okay. So exercise 3, page 8, change the nouns in color to their plural forms. I have made it the broad form. The man is sitting on the bench. We have to change the man and bench. This is given. So the men are sitting on the benches. Man, the plural is men, and benches. The word ends with CS. We have to add ES at the end of the word benches. Let's go to number 2. So in the exam also, you'll write only the answers. The ox pulled the cart. So the plural of ox is oxen, and the plural of cart is carts. CARTS, carts. Number 3, the child is playing with a ball. The plural of child is children. CHILDREN. We have to add REN at the end of the word. The children are playing with a balls. There is a mouse in the house. So there are some. Mouse, the plural noun of mouse is mice. MICE. Okay, this is MIC. Mice in the house. Plural form of house is houses. Okay. So the goose is swimming in the pond. The plural form of goose is geese. 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 Goose, geese are swimming in the pond. So we have to add S at the end of the word ponds. Number 6, the wolf attacked the sheep. So the wolf attacked the sheep. The plural form of wolf is wolves. WOLVES. Instead of F, we have to add VS. Wolves attack the sheep. The singular and plural form of sheep is sheep, sheep, sheep. This is sheep, okay? SSEEP. Okay. So exercise 4. Complete this sentences. These will be sentences with words from the box. Glasses, sachets, pajamas, clothes, stairs. So number 1, can I borrow your sachets? I have to cut this cloth. Number 2, my grandfather cannot see very well. So your grandfather cannot see very well. He needs a new pair of dash. So what? Glasses. Because he cannot see. GLASSES. Very easy. Number 3, I wear dash in the night before I go to the sleep. Before I go to sleep. So I wear pajamas. Spelling is PYJAMAS. Okay. I wear pajamas in the night before I go to sleep. Number 4, Rajat ran down the dash and out of the door. So ran down the, which one? Stairs. So stairs, S-T-A-I-R-S. Rajat ran down the stairs and out of the door. Number 5, a washing machine is used to wash. Why we use washing machine? To wash clothes. So C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Okay. So my dear students, your result will be homework 3, submit on Saturday. Exercise 1, page 8. Your result will be exercise 1, page 8. Exercise 1, page 8, example 3, submit on Saturday. So that's all today, my dear students. Do your assignment example at home and submit on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the school library. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. About your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.